Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know whether you can use Zable for international transfer or not. So Zable's ability to facilitate international money transfer depending on its supported region and currency as well. Zable primarily focuses on peer-to-peer payment and money transfer, but its international capabilities may vary. Now to determine whether Zable supports international money transfer, you can go and check the app's description on the app store or visit the website or information on supported regions and currency. Additionally, you can explore the app's features and settings within the app itself to see whether there are any option feature related to international transfer or not. If Zable does not offer or support international money transfer, they may have a certain limitations or requirement such as currency conversions, fees, exchange rate, and compliance with the regulation. Now be sure to review the terms and conditions as well as any associated fees before initiating international money transfer through the Zable. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.